back with another vlog. Okay, this one's actually going to be really short, and it's going to talk about the benefits of student-invented strategies, which is a new concept to me because I was always given the standard algorithm. But there's this method where students, by exploring, come up with their own algorithm to mentally solve addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. This section only talked about addition and subtraction, but I'm sure I'll get to the multiplication and division eventually. Where they invent it themselves, and there's like a lot of benefits to this because, statistic for you, 85% of adults use mental math, and when you get really weird numbers like 49 and 22 or something, and you're subtracting them, well, probably not subtracting them, when you're doing something to them, you can kind of get a little fuzzy in your head and you want to write it down and do the standard algorithm, but you need to do it quickly in your head and you don't have that. So getting these methods down for the little kiddos will help them later on in life when they're trying to do all this mental stuff. So here are the benefits. Benefit 1! Let me get my list actually. They make fewer errors. The students make fewer errors because they've been able to explore it, they understand it, and it's using things, their algorithm is using tools that they have been building upon. So it's using those little building blocks, building upon it, so they make fewer errors. And fewer errors also means, number 2, there's less reteaching, and so there's more time to focus on other things and progress their math quicker because you don't have to reteach addition and subtraction like 20 times, which is good. What else is on the other side? They develop number sense, so instead of just knowing you add this column and then you add this column, they know that this column represents the tens, and so the number is also a 10, or 100 if it's more. Like, they recognize that place value more, which is really important. So that's making number sense. As I said, best basis for mental math. It's really easy once you have these strategies to whip it up in your head, and it's also really good for estimation. It's faster, zoom zoom, get the math done, and it's an important process of doing math. So it's important for them to learn because then it helps them understand math, makes them want to do the math. It's all one big math thing, a very positive math thing. So yeah, as I said, short, sweet, to the point, but beneficial. Very informational and beneficial. So see you next week.